everyone, today I'll be making Banh Xeo. So what you need is, I've got this Banh Xeo cake flour. You need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 125 mils of coconut milk, and 800 mils, 500 mils of sparkling water, and the rest is just cold water. So how we do this is grab a mixing bowl, and if you buy a package that doesn't have the turmeric, just add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. So do this. And then add in your turmeric powder. And there's some that already have green onions, dried green onions inside. Mix this in. Also need 1 teaspoon of salt. So what I do is I stir in the mixture, and we'll just add in our water first, just like this. And just add in your wet ingredients first. Coconut milk, and then just crack in 1 egg. Then put in 1 tablespoon of oil. What you do is just mix it. And what you do is you put this in the fridge for 20 minutes, and then when you take it out, that's when you add in your green onions. And that's how you make Banh Xeo batter.